Hello everyone. Welcome to your slow English practice. Before we begin, I want you to try something with me. Just 10 seconds and you will feel the difference. Listen carefully and repeat after me, slowly. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. Now stop for a moment. How did it feel? A little difficult? A little unclear? That's exactly why we are doing this today. Today, we are going to start with something simple but very powerful. This is not just a sentence, it is a tool. A powerful tool to improve your pronunciation, your clarity, and your confidence. If you sometimes feel that your English is not clear, or you hesitate when speaking, or your words don't come out smoothly, then this simple habit can help you. Starting today, make a small promise to yourself. Every day, when you practice English, repeat one tongue twister 10 times, slowly, clearly, and with full attention. At first, your mouth may feel uncomfortable. You may make mistakes. You may laugh at yourself. That's okay, because every time you repeat, your brain and your mouth are learning to work together. After a few days, you will notice something interesting. Your pronunciation becomes clearer, your speech becomes smoother, and most importantly, you start to feel more confident when you speak. And confidence is everything in speaking English. Today, we are not going to learn difficult grammar. We are not going to memorize complicated rules. Instead, we are going to focus on something much more important. The real foundation of speaking English. Let me ask you a simple question. What is the most important thing in learning a language? Is it grammar? Is it an accent? Are they perfect sentences? No, the answer is words. Words are the building blocks of language. If you have words, you can create sentences. If you can create sentences, you can express ideas. If you can express ideas, you can have conversations. And conversations are the real goal. Many learners make the same mistake. They spend too much time learning grammar and not enough time using the language. They know the rules, but they cannot speak. They understand, but they cannot respond.